From PySpiders Rajajinagar. He is our student Bhanu Bharadwaj. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Hi, my name is Bhanu Bharadwaj. I am from Geetam University. I joined PySpiders in the month of November, and I took the course Python Full Stack, which was handled by Keshav sir, Vinod sir, and Alex sir. So the training was good.
Okay. How bootcamp were helpful?
It helped me to build my confidence and improve my communication skills, and it may help me in my interviews also.
Okay. Mock interviews?
Mock interviews were the mock interviews. It created a environment like a real interview environment, and it helped me to build my confidence.
Okay. I wish you all the best for further career.